Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're looking to make your payments quicker and more convenient, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use your Visa card on Google Pay. This handy guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can start using your Visa card for contactless payments in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll require a Visa card, debit or credit, that's enabled for online transactions, and the Google Pay app installed on your Android or iOS device. If you don't have Google Pay yet, head to your App Store and download it for free. Once the app is ready, open it and sign in with your Google account. If you're new, you'll need to set up a profile. It's quick and easy. Now, tap on your profile icon or the payment methods section to add a new card. Select Add Card, and then choose Visa from the options. Next, enter your Visa card details carefully. That includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. Google Pay will then prompt you to verify your card. This might involve a small test transaction or an SMS code, depending on your bank. Don't worry, it's all secure and straightforward. After verification, your Visa card will be linked to Google Pay. To use it, just open the app when you're at a store or online checkout. Hold your phone near the payment terminal for contactless payments, or select your card in the app for online purchases. It's that simple. A few tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your app is updated for the latest security features, and double-check that your Visa card is active. If you run into any issues, like a declined verification, contact your bank right away. There you have it. Using your Visa card on Google Pay is a game changer for everyday transactions. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.